Oh my gosh, gas is $1.76. All right, buddy, why are you not turning? It really isn't. There's nothing coming. You can turn. Okay, about time. Or should I even post this? Yeah, this is evident of how this trip's going.
I want this stupid toilet paper.
All right, everybody, it's been a long time since I've done a vlog, but I decided I'm running around today trying to get some stuff done, and I just thought I'd get on camera. So I am currently right now, oh gosh, I gotta go over a lane. I'm currently trying to get a really good paper products deal over at Respecs, which is the local grocery store. They also have some water on sale, and I went to the Howard Street store, which is the one I usually go to, and they're all out of everything. I think it's because everybody is really freaking out about this virus that is currently going around. I have a feeling they're going to be out of the toilet paper because everybody is going crazy buying toilet paper right now. The stores around here are wiped out of cleaning, most of the cleaning supplies, toilet paper, hand sanitizer. So I'm thinking, I understand why people want hand sanitizer, I guess, and even cleaning supplies, but I'm not really sure what the big deal is about toilet paper. I don't know why everybody thinks the end of the world's gonna come and we're not gonna have any toilet paper. Like, that's like probably the last thing on my mind. I mean, I'd want food and stuff. I wouldn't really care so much about toilet paper. I mean, I think you could figure something out without clearing the stores out of toilet paper. And the thing that's in my head, can you only imagine how much people are paying for this stuff right now? Well, I just wanted to come get this toilet paper because it's just on a really good sale with couponing. I have a big stockpile of toilet paper, so I'm not getting it for the virus. I'm not worried about that, but I'm getting it because Angel Soft 12 double rolls is $3. That's why I'm out here trying to get it with my deals. However, Howard Street store's out. I think these people are just going and trying to stock up. So now I was like, okay, I'm a few minutes from the South store, and I'd like to go to their Walmart anyways. But I don't just drive down here for any random. However, I thought, well, I really want these paper products. So I decided, it's about 5-10 minutes from the Howard Street one. I was like, we're just gonna go out here and we're just gonna see what happens. So I'm on my way to Respecs now in South Zanesville because I want this stupid toilet paper. But I have a feeling they're gonna be out. So I decided, let's just make a day out of it. I'm gonna vlog today, me running around couponing. I'm a little upset with what happened at Walgreens. I was a little upset with what happened at Walgreens. I had a big plan all worked out for some razors, which you'll see it in a haul. So really it's nothing special that I'm even vlogging. Right? I thought some of you guys might enjoy. And the razors were marked $3.99, buy one, get one half off. So I was like, okay, well, this works out because they were out of the ones I wanted. So I was like, okay, well, we can do this. Well, I get to the register and they ring up at $4.99. I didn't catch it until the total was given. She was like, it's $3.70. And I was like, what? Why is it $3.70? I did not feel like sitting there and fighting with her and just making a big to-do. So I decided to just pay for it, and then I was going to go back and check the shelf and see what it said. Well, I read the tag closer, and somebody threw them in the wrong place, and I didn't think they were going to fix it. So I was like, you know what? It's still, in the end, it was a good moneymaker after the points. But I just don't like doing cash out of pocket. But I used the PayPal card and everything, so it's okay. And net cost was a very big moneymaker at Walgreens. That was a really good transaction. Really awesome. It's weird. I'm not used to Respecs throwing up good sales. They're really not too big about that. But right now, they've got a huge like buy 5, save 5 thing going. Their own. I'm used to Kroger doing that, but Kroger really is not good this week. So the fact that they're doing it over at Respecs is really cool. So I like that. All right, buddy, why are you not turning? It really isn't. There's nothing coming. You can turn. Okay, about time. Please stop. I'm not a very good, get annoyed with people when I drive because, like, you don't have to take 40 hours to turn. Like, if there's nothing coming, you can turn. I'm not a very, I don't know. I don't want to say I get road rage. I do get annoyed with people like, hey, the speed limit is 55. Oh, I'm in a turn. The speed limit's 55 and you're going like 50 or 45. No, it's ridiculous. Go speed limit. I should edit that out because you guys are going to think I'm an irresponsible driver. So, yes, I'm almost to the Respecs, so I will catch up with you guys there. Okay, so this is Respecs. This is like our little, it's kind of like a Kroger alternative. It's an Ohio, West Virginia little chain store. I think, oh gosh, like dude probably thought I was filming him. That's not true. But anyways, this is kind of our Kroger alternative. And actually, this is a really nice store. The Howard Street one is kind of rough, but this one's really, really nice. Oh, I forgot to say the story. When I was at the other Respecs a little bit ago today, I've never had this happen before. There's a lady just chatting with her friend in the parking lot, and she was right behind my car. And I know she shouldn't see me get in the car. So I was thinking, like, what should I do? So I politely got out and said, hey, can you please back up so I can get out? And, you know, she's really nice about it. So I was thankful for that. But sometimes people are not so nice at the store. As couponers, we know that. So, yeah, I'm going to head on in here and see if I can find the paper products. Gotta stay safe. Yeah, this is evident of how this trip's going. So they're out of the Angel Soft, but I got a really, really bad cart. But they have the water, so that we needed water, so kind of evens it out. It's stocking up. It's $2 for a 24 pack of spring water. Spring water is a lot harder to get on sale, so I feel like I'm done. Really. I wanted to get the cheese, but I don't know. I'll go look real quick. All right, so I decided to throw in the Sargento. It is on their little buy 5 save 5 for $1.99, and I have $1 off 2 coupons. So $1.49, then one of them is just gonna be $1.99. This is the cheese we like. And I also found these Grippos. I've heard people say really, really good things about these. I don't know how much they are, but I want to try them because everybody says they're so good. Need to get one more thing, then we can head out. Okay, so done at Respecs. I feel like I did pretty good. I spent $20 and I got 5 24 packs of spring water. They were $1.99 each, and that's pretty good. We only want spring water usually, so that's what we got. Then they had the Sargento cheese for $1.99 when you buy 5. I had $1 off 2 coupon times 2. So that made 4 of them $1.49, and we like that cheese a lot. And the other was just $1.99 to finish out the 5. So that's not $8 for 5 bags in the end. Then we got a bottle of Purex. It was $1.99. Had $1 off coupons, 99 cents. And then I got to buy Grippos. I've never even had Grippos, but this is why you shouldn't come to the store hungry. I came to the store really hungry. Therefore, I just got the Grippos because they looked good, and I've heard good things about them. So I was like, I'm getting the Grippos. They're $1.50. So I paid about $20 for that, and that wasn't on the PayPal card. That comes out of the grocery budget. I don't do separate for that. Oh my gosh, gas is $1.76. I have to get it. I have to, and I need it. That's weird. It's 2 cents. No, okay, I'm getting gas. Getting gas at Walmart at $1.76. That's an awesome price. I was on the other side of town and it was $1.86. So coming down here, I saved 10 cents per gallon. So it actually made it worth my extra travels to South Zanesville. So I'm really, really excited. Yes, I'm getting it right now. I think that's too good of a deal to pass up. Awesome. Winning. My friend used to tell me, she would say, like, you know, we're getting older when we're sitting around talking about the price of gas. Like, literally, that's what we would do. We would like be so excited if gas was this price, but I've never seen it. I don't remember ever seeing it for $1.76. That's unreal. That is unreal. They're busy too because people are getting it. Okay, let me get down here. This lady's walking in front. Amazing. I'm so excited. I'm not even out yet. I have 59 miles left, but for $1.76, I'm getting it. I don't think I've ever gone it that cheap before, so let me do that, and then I'll catch up with you guys. So I am at South Walmart now. I love this Walmart, I really do, and it's a lot bigger, and they have more stuff. I don't know why, like the Shopkick, they have more rebates down here than at the Maple one. So I love coming down here for that. I'm really, really hungry, but I don't know if I'm gonna do Subway or if I'm just gonna power through it. I might just try to power through it and wait till I go home, but they're busy. Man, there's a lot of people here. Okay. So they're out of the biggest moneymaker that I want. Zanesville ain't playing. No toilet paper. Like, I just don't get it. Like, does everyone think that toilet paper is gonna, I don't understand. People are going crazy buying it. Okay, so great trip at Walmart. That was actually a really good transaction. Awesome, because it let me use my gift cards from Shopkick. If you've been seeing my community tab post, I was all confused as it wouldn't work. It did it this one, so I don't know what's up with that, but I finally got to use my gift card from Shopkick. So I'm able to roll. That's my philosophy with couponing, and that's kind of what I'm going to talk to you guys about. Couponing philosophies, how I do it, has changed tremendously. We got a Weekend Warrior today, a stupid $1 on 12. Usually, I would have been sitting there crunching the numbers, trying to get whatever, using huge moneymaker deals from other areas to cover those random items. I could hit the bonus and it just somehow even out to be free. So I loved that for a time, and it worked great for a time. However, things have just gotten a lot different in my couponing personally. I kept doing those bonuses, chasing bonuses, and something wouldn't work out to take something down, and it just messed everything up. So for the last 2 weeks, I've still been doing Ibotta and rebates and stuff, but I'm not sitting around chasing bonuses. No, if I get close and it's a good bonus and there's enough rebates I want to make it happen, that's awesome. But I'm not sitting here anymore making myself trying to just get anything and everything to finish that bonus. Now, I'll get anything for a moneymaker, and I take the moneymaker and try to apply the things I need. So like that Country Crock butter, olive oil butter, I didn't really want that. So I allowed that overage cover the Tums, some of the Tums, the cost of that, and other things. That's my new philosophy with couponing, is trying to get things I actually want, not just trying to chase a bunch of bonuses. So that's kind of where I'm at with couponing right now, and I feel like I'm doing really good. I mean, it's not been free every week, but I've got a lot of really good stuff, as you guys can see in the haul, and you've probably already seen it. So I wonder, should I even post this? But I need a video for Monday, and I'm like, well, let's just post it. So yes, deals. Oh gosh, woo, this traffic's bad down here today. But let somebody out. But Amy H told me there's an awesome Shopkick or Swag Bucks moneymaker. I've not used Swag Bucks for a little bit, but this will get me really close. I think it'll even give me a $10 gift card to Walmart, and it'll have some tracking for next time. It's the Alka-Seltzer Plus. They're $4.98. You cannot use coupons with Swag Bucks, but you buy 2 of them, that comes to $9.96, and you get $12 back on Swag Bucks, which, hey, that's a deal right there. That's awesome. That's a $2 moneymaker. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and do that deal. But this Walmart was out, didn't even care, didn't have any. So hopefully the Walmart down on Maple has it. And then they didn't also have the big kids products, like kids pencils and stuff. They didn't carry it down here either, but they do carry it at Maple, the app says. So hopefully I can get the, because those are free. And like I said, I'm still down for free deals and stuff, but I'm just not getting random stuff to chase a bonus, and I'm not chasing every bonus that comes. And there is one 10 on 35. I'd love to hit that, and we have some time. So if I keep shopping and doing resets, which is really what I stopped doing, I was just trying to chase the bonus in one day. If I go out a couple times a week and do the reset deals, and that gets me closer to a bonus, that's awesome. But really the weekend bonuses, like Weekend Warrior and the midweek ones, they don't really give us a lot of time to hit those anymore. We really don't have that much time. So it doesn't really give us a whole lot of time to do resets if you have nothing, like if you have other things going on besides couponing, which I do with school and everything. So the days I coupon, I usually go Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes Saturday. That's pretty much my couponing in a nutshell. I'm gonna go to the Maple Walmart in South, so that'll take a little bit to get back down through traffic. So yeah, that's all that I got. So stay tuned, and I'll take you guys in the other Walmart. Alright, so I'm at the next Walmart, and it said they had the Big Kids according to the app, but they don't have it. I've checked the whole office area, so I'm not sure what's up with that. So I guess let's get the Alka-Seltzer, check the clearance, and leave. My gosh. That's cheap. Yeah, so I'm just gonna check through that, and I guess just leave. This really was a fail. I was hoping for a better trip. Oh, the Rimmel, I wanted to check that. I'm just gonna leave Walmart empty-handed. They were out of the Alka-Seltzer too, so I guess people now are starting to hoard cold medicines. I don't know. and I'm coming out the wrong door, but whatever. I guess people are starting to hoard cold medications because I couldn't end up getting that. I don't feel like sitting here looking for more deals, so I'm just gonna call it. I think I had a really good day, and I'll show you guys everything when I get home. I will have an official haul video up. Oh my gosh, it's so bright out. But I'll have an official haul video up later. You'll see it before this. Actually, it'll go up Friday morning at 6 a.m. So, yes. If I don't know if I'll get on the vlog anymore or not. I like talk to you. Oh my gosh, what was that? Talk to you guys. If not, thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed following me around. So here's the haul from everything. Some of this is from Tuesday, but most of it was from today and yesterday and stuff. This will come out to be, or came out to be $270 after all the rebates. It would have been probably free, except I messed up on the BIC. And what else did I mess up on? I didn't need the Ajax. Oh, so it was all Walgreens then. Wags really ruined everything. But besides that, I think it was still a pretty good haul, honestly. A lot of useful stuff here. So $270.